Are you ready to start a new career in the healthcare field with online flexible training options? If so, my name is Eunice Mathis. I go by Nurse Eunice, and I have news for you. I've partnered with CareerStep in order to offer online flexible classes at your own pace so that you can get your certifications nationwide. That's right. So you don't have to come to Jacksonville in order to take advantage of our online courses. These programs were made for people just like you and I, busy professionals who sometimes don't have the time nor the financial means to go to a prolonged program. Look, in addition to having flexible schedules, they also have payment plans. Look, we're taking the excuses away, and you don't have to travel to Jacksonville, Florida. You can take our courses nationwide, and many of the courses also include an externship. So you're just not taking an online course. You're going to get the additional training you need because you're going to be able to go into a clinic, a medical facility, and you're also going to get your hands-on training. So let's talk about a few of these programs. If you're interested in taking our patient care technician program, not only are you going to learn EKG and phlebotomy skills, but you're going to learn those advanced skills that caregivers need who work with a nurse and a doctor inside of a hospital. So that's beyond a CNA. You become a patient care tech. And yes, there's a national certification for that. Our pharmacy tech program is going to prepare you to work in a pharmacy setting. And so you're going to learn about pharmacy operations, medication safety, and of course, prescriptions. So if you're interested in healthcare, but don't necessarily want to do the hands-on part, consider our online pharmacy technician program. Look, we have so many programs for you. We also have the online EKG program, the online Hemodialysis Technician program, which is going to prepare you to work in those dialysis clinics with patients who have severe renal or kidney failure. Still not interested? Don't you worry. We have the online sterile processing technician program. What does a sterile processing technician do? They are the ones who work with the medical equipment. They sterilize it after medical procedures and surgeries. So maybe you want to be in a healthcare setting, but you're like, oh no, I need something that's AI resistant, but I don't want to deal with patients. Consider the sterile processing tech program. Yes, you can do it. If you prefer computers, let's say you just love programming, we have a healthcare IT professionals program. That is right. Look, mixing the best of both worlds. Not only do you need to know about cybersecurity, also installation of software, putting the equipment together. Imagine how many computers are in a hospital or a medical facility. That could be you. That could be your job. But you'll never know if you don't sign up for one of our classes. We also have medical billing and coding. We have medical transcription. And on top of that, we have online medical assistant with an externship. And those programs will be best for students who don't want to necessarily work in a hospital, but they want to work in a clinic set, in a doctor's office, and they want to be able to help the doctors, help the nurses, and of course, help those patients. So the best thing about these career paths is that they are also AI resistant. Look, anything you do right now, they're trying to get a computer to outdo you. So you know what a computer can't outdo right now? It can't beat you at caring. It can't beat you with communication. It cannot beat you at being that person, that confidant, the one that a patient trusts. So I know a lot of things are going on right now and it's super scary and you're afraid to go to school, but I'm here to tell you, you got to do something. If you don't do anything at all, you're going to end up being stuck in the same spot next year. And I don't want that happening to you. So what's the call to action? What do I need you to do? To learn more, contact one of our career advisors today at 877-225-7151. Again, that is 877-225-7151, or visit www.floridacareeracademy.com. Again, that is floridacareeracademy.com. And whenever you speak to one of the career advisors, say, hey, I saw Nurse Eunice's video. I want to learn more. I want to get signed up, and tell me what specials you're currently running because I'm going to need a payment plan.